Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. We are on ornament number 7 of our Classic Stitchy Sew-Along. So welcome back to our Ornament Stitch-A-Long. I hope you guys are having fun. We're on ornament number 7, so we're over the halfway mark. If you're new though, we are stitching through my 12 stitchy ornaments for 2022. These are called the Classic Stitchy Ornaments, and they're based on classic quilt blocks. They're a lot of fun. Definitely beginner friendly, and they're really fast to stitch up, and as you can see, they're super cute to display and decorate your room as well. So let's just review. This was yesterday's ornament. This one is really cute. It's a basically a sawtooth star block, but then I just added some extra fun embellishments crossing through those. And if you have this on an actual quilt pattern, that would kind of make an Irish chain type of block. And I was actually really considering making a quilt pattern with this. I mean, it would be a lot larger scale, of course, but anyways, super cute. That was block number 6. So today we're on ornament number 7. Ornament number 7 is this really cute pinwheel ornament, and it's kind of a pinwheel in a pinwheel. So that center pinwheel is my darker colors, and then the lighter red is like an outer pinwheel. And you know, it looks like those fun pinwheels that you can blow on when you were like little, or some people have them in their yards to decorate for Christmas. So lots of fun. Here's my backing fabric for this one. And then here is the quilt block that goes with it. So as you can see, I can do a lot finer detail with the cross stitch than I can with the quilt block. So the quilt blocks are a little bit larger, but still the same vibe. So this is a block number 7. It's really fun. And then one thing I wanted to share with you today is one of my favorite ways to keep my floss while I'm actually working on it. So I think in yesterday's video, I showed the little floss biddies and the floss tags and the floss flowers. They all have different names, but they all kind of perform the same function. But today I wanted to share with you these little design boards, and this is actually one that I made, and this is just a piece of foam, the white foam core board, and I covered one side of it with just regular quilt batting. You can kind of see that right here. And you can use spray adhesive for this. You could use hot glue. For this one, I just used spray adhesive, and then that batting just sticks right to the board. And then I just did some binding around the outside edge with hot glue and some fabric. So these are really, really easy to put together. They're really inexpensive, and they're a great way to store your floss as you're working on it. So if I have a small piece of floss that I'm working on, but it's long enough that I don't want to throw it away, I will just loop it around my fingers just like this, and then place it on my board. That actually just sticks right on there. So it's really easy to grab. If you need it, you can take it off. If you don't need it, you can just pat it right on there and it'll stay. And you can have different colors. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of keep my thicker original piece on here, and then I'll just wind up any little scraps that I have and just keep it by that. And so you can keep multiple colors on this same board. You can put it in your bag. They stay in place. See, it's not coming off. It sticks to the batting, stays in place. You can pull it back out next time you're ready to use it, and you have all your little flosses and scraps right there ready for you to use. So that is my tip for today for storing and using your floss. This is our ornament for the day. I hope you are enjoying the sew-along. I'm having a lot of fun, and I can't wait to see all of your guys' finished projects and how you're decorating. Make sure to post your pictures to social media using hashtag Classic Stitchy Ornaments, or you can tag me at Erica Arndt, and I will repost your finishes as well so other people can see. So thanks for joining along with me today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video, and we'll look at ornament number 8.